Slatty, what's going? Hey man, we got 18-year-old get hit by a train while on chase with GSP. Before we get in that bit, make sure you subscribe right now. I ain't gonna do too much talking, let's just get into it. On November 2nd, 2024, at approximately 12:47 p.m., officers responded to the area of Ted Turner Drive Northwest and John Portman Boulevard Northwest in reference to several vehicles being broken into. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like parking in this city. First off, you gotta pay for fucking parking. Parking be tight as hell and niggas be breaking into shit, but I don't know about that shit though, cause I done got booted before. I done came out of the restaurant with some fine little shit, boy. I came back, big fat ass boot on my car, boy. I was mad as hell, boy. On God, boy. That nigga just came out that motherfucker eating good as hell. Come out to a fat ass boot on my shit, boy. I was mad as hell, boy. Had to pay their ass $75, boy. Fuck them bitch ass niggas, boy. Got my money back though. Fuck you talking about. The suspects in their vehicle, a stolen 2016 Chevy Silverado, were captured on surveillance cameras breaking into several parked cars at the location. Fuck y'all niggas. Y'all niggas lame as hell, bro. That shit crazy. Yo, I deserve to get hit by a train. They had just pulled up to a random ass parking lot just breaking into shit. Responding officers were able to quickly access the surveillance footage and disseminate a bolo for the suspect vehicle. Get their ass, man. Lock their ass up, bro. I don't like that shit. Breaking in car shit. That shit lame as hell. Damn, them niggas pulled up the motherfucking helicopter on their ass. I ain't gonna lie, 12 is not fucking around with their ass. Pulled up the helicopter quick as hell. The driver of the suspect vehicle runs into a nearby rail yard on Norfolk Southern property. That nigga dumb as fuck. Run that bit back one more time. That nigga tripped and fell with big stupid ass. Big goofy ass. Goofy goober ass. Damn. That nigga fell. Oh hell. Big goof ass. Goofy goober ass. Damn! Bruh, this nigga doing all this fucking jumping like he in Subway Surfers or something. Fuck. I ain't gonna lie, y'all niggas just gotta go get a job, bro. This shit not worth it, bro. Y'all doing all this jumping and running and hurdles, losing y'all breath and shit, tired as hell just for like regular cars and shit. Come on now, this shit dumb as hell. It don't make no sense at all, bro. Like, y'all niggas could have made what y'all just made in a week working at a fucking warehouse, but y'all want to break your cars and shit like that, bro. This shit dumb as hell, bro. It's not cool, bro. It's dumb as fuck. But I don't know what, yeah. Some niggas can't get no job. Some niggas fucked up to man. Some niggas got family, but shit, it's still a way out there. You got to get you a little job anywhere. Amazon hiring shit. I used to work at Amazon. Them niggas that hire your ass. Shit, they hire anybody. Them motherfuckers.
Yeah, but you went over that heavy rail and it looked like you were kind of hiding under those trees.
Let me see your fucking hands! Get on the ground! Get the fuck on the ground! Get the fuck on the ground!
He's crossed over the next track.
Where that nigga at? I can't even see the nigga. Oh hell no, this nigga under them motherfuckers.
Put your fucking ass. I want you to fucking move.
Damn. He talking about, I want you to fucking move. After a lengthy foot chase, officers are finally able to locate the suspect and place him into custody without further incident.
Get him in custody right now. We'll come in.
Great thing.
Johnny, what I'm saying, job, everybody.
You can take the video.
Relax, bro. I got you.
We're gonna be rough.
Tell you what I'm
I'm gonna get you up. Relax. You can't breathe. You're running.
Hey, radio, go ahead and start the curve before he's gonna be come out.
You alright? Relax. You got any weapons on you?
And just give me is that location where he's detained at.
What? Relocate? Relocate? Let me put the AC on for you. I'll get down.
Yeah.
But hold on. Before you do that, let me double lock the handcuff because I will close on your wrist. Right?
You can't take them all out of here?
I'll leave it out.
Mr. Bruh was charged with entering an automobile with the intent to commit a theft felony. Damn, they done gave your ass a felony, bro. It's a young nigga too, bro. But at like 18 years old, they just gave his ass a felony. Now his ass, like, man, it's saying like F on your report card, that's not a good look, bro. So saying like, your ass could have punched in the clock, goddamn made you some bread, like more money than doing what you doing right now. Like that little shit you doing, that's petty shit, that bullshit. So saying, but they don't get your ass that felony report card. Damn. They're about to take criminal trespass, damaged property. Miss Steele was transported to the Fulton County Jail for processing. At this time, the other suspect remains unidentified. All arrests and photos are public information. Hey, man. Y'all niggas stay out the way. Stay free, man. Like, don't get any motherfuckers away, bro. Like, don't run into these people. Like, it ain't worth it, bro. It's a waste of time and waste of money, bro. This shit dumb as hell, bro. Shit stupid as hell, bro. Anyway, all this shit dumb as hell to me, bro. Stupid as hell. Anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You did.